Need to find your Xfinity Wi-Fi password? There are several easy methods to retrieve it. Let's explore 5 different ways you can access your Wi-Fi password quickly and securely. The easiest method is to check the sticker on your Xfinity router. Look on the bottom or side of your router for a label that shows the default network name and password. This is especially helpful if you haven't changed your Wi-Fi settings yet. The second method uses the Xfinity mobile app. Open the app on your smartphone, navigate to the Wi-Fi tab, then select Wi-Fi details. From there, choose Edit Wi-Fi settings to view or change your current password. If you have an Xfinity X1 TV box, you can use the voice remote for an even easier solution. Simply press the voice button and say, "What's my Wi-Fi password?" The system will display your current Wi-Fi password on your TV screen. For more advanced users, you can access the router's admin panel. Open a web browser and type 10.0.0.1 in the address bar. Log in using the default credentials, username admin and password. Then navigate to the Wi-Fi settings to find your password. Remember to change these default login credentials for security. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button on the back of your router for about 30 seconds, then wait for it to restart. This will restore the default username and password, but remember, this erases all your custom configurations, so you'll need to set everything up again. To recap, you have 5 reliable methods to find your Xfinity Wi-Fi password. Check the router sticker, use the mobile app, ask your voice remote, access the admin panel, or perform a factory reset as a last resort. Choose the method that works best for your situation. Setting up automatic login to Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots streamlines your connection experience. The first step is downloading the official Xfinity Wi-Fi Hotspots app from your device's app store. After downloading the app, sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. This is the same login information you use for your Xfinity account online. The app will then install a secure profile on your device. This profile contains the necessary certificates and settings for automatic authentication with Xfinity Wi-Fi networks. Once the secure profile is installed, your device will automatically connect to secure Xfinity Wi-Fi networks whenever they are available, eliminating the need for manual login each time. To access your Xfinity router's admin panel for advanced settings, you need to connect to your home Wi-Fi network first. This ensures you have the proper network access to reach the router's configuration interface. Next, open a web browser and type the IP address 10.0.0.1 into the address bar. This is the default gateway address for most Xfinity routers and will take you to the login page. The default login credentials for Xfinity routers are username admin and password. Enter these credentials to access the router's configuration interface, where you can modify Wi-Fi settings, security options, and other network parameters. Security should be your top priority when managing your Wi-Fi network. The first and most critical step is changing the default username and password to something strong and unique that only you know. Enable WPA3 encryption, which is the most advanced Wi-Fi security protocol available. This provides stronger protection against unauthorized access and keeps your network traffic secure from potential eavesdroppers. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Xfinity account. Even if someone obtains your password, they would still need access to your phone or email to complete the login process. Finally, keep your router firmware updated and consider disabling remote access features. Regular updates patch security vulnerabilities, while disabling remote access prevents unauthorized configuration changes from outside your network.